Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Power BI Desktop to begin connecting to your SharePoint Excel file. Select Get Data and then choose SharePoint folder as the connector. Paste the SharePoint site URL exactly as shown in the site address bar. Click Connect and sign in using your work or school account credentials. In the Navigator preview, locate the Excel workbook file you want to use. Expand the content column and choose the Excel workbook. Then select the table named Table 1 to load into Power BI. After loading Table 1, click Transform Data to open Power Query Editor. Use first row as headers to promote column names immediately. Change column data types, for example set date and currency types for those fields. Remove 2 unused columns to reduce dataset size and improve performance. Filter out blank rows and apply any necessary text trimming or splitting. Rename fields with clear names and verify sample rows before you click Close and apply to load clean data into Power BI. When your report is ready, select Publish and pick the target workspace in Power BI Service. Open the workspace and go to Datasets, then Settings to configure data source credentials. If the Excel file is in SharePoint Online, use OAuth 2 and Organizational Account Authentication. If files live on-premises, install and configure an on-premises data gateway for scheduled refresh. Set your refresh frequency and time windows and save settings. Note that Power BI Pro allows up to 8 refreshes per day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.